So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Sofa, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we are going to see about the arithmetic operators, which you all know. What are they? So they are this plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we know the rules of this thing, so we don't have to go too deep. And the one more thing we are going to learn is commenting. So this commenting is really helpful while you are working on a quite a long program or code, quite a few many lines of code, like for example 1000 or something like that, and you might need that code after few weeks or few months. So you might not remember each and every line of code why you use this variable, and that time you will remember you will need this comment. So for example, let's start with the comment. So if I have used this integer variable age and I'm opening this program after a year, so what I will do here at the time of creation of this program, I'll just simply put down a comment after it and write it down. So this is used to get a user input. So whenever I'll read this line, I'll get to know, yeah, this was used to get a user input, and I'll remember what I was using it for. So this is called a single line comment. And what you can write down for a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment is if the single line comment is finished here, and if I will write down anything here, will be projected on the console, but not this comment will be there on the console. So this is what this comment do. It is just for the writer or for humans who can just read it inside the code. So it is not going to reflect it on the console or anywhere on your website or whatever you are creating. So multi-line comment is just to get all the comment of 4 file lines. So it will be used by this thing with the star, and again we'll closing it with the star and this slash, and whatever you will write between these two will be comment, even though it will be in the new line, but it should be just between these two factors and you are writing down the comment. So this is how the comment works. And let's get back to the arithmetic operators, I would say. So here I'll simply write down, take the two numbers. So number one, I'll declare it 10, and should we take float? Oh, let's work with integer only. And 2 will be 20. So you don't have to create any kind of function or something like that. You can just do it directly for a simple arithmetic operation. So we'll do here cout, and I write down number 1 with this plus sign because we have to show what we are doing here. So I'll do here plus with this operator again, and number 2, and here we'll do again this equals to, and simply directly we can write down here number 1 plus number 2. So it will directly does the addition of these two numbers here and print for us. And we'll do same for the other operators, I would say. Let's just copy and paste because I'm a very lazy person. So here it will be minus. Same goes for here. There will go the multiplication. The same, and the division for this last string. So let's see if it is working properly or not. And here we go. After saving this program, oops, we forgot one thing, and that was the new line. So every time you have to go to new line, you have to write down and E and L. So it will end that line and will redirect to the new line. And we're done with it, and I'll do it again. So it's 10 plus 20, 30 minus 10 and 10 into 2200, and this is what the division is, that it's 0. So what if the number here will be 0, because the denominator can't be 0, you can't get the correct answer. You every guys knows this is the arithmetic thing. Now I'll try to run this program and it will not show anything here. Why? Because nothing can be divided by 0. So that is a simple rule. So whenever you're working this kind of thing, so we'll look into further things. You can use the try and catch to create an error. So whenever this kind of things happen, you can throw an error to the user, like you can't do this kind of thing, you need to change the denominator, and quite a lot of things. So this was quite a simple video. So we'll see you guys in the next video with some more informative things. So until that time, take care. See you guys in the next